Hello and everyone. Today I will be playing Will You Press the Button? Will you press the button? Be married to a loving, devoted wife/husband, but they are the ugliest person in the world. I guess so. Wow. Wow, okay. You become part of your favorite movie. You're the antagonist. I mean, being the antagonist isn't that bad. I mean, you do get a lot of money from movies, right? Making a movie. I mean, it's not real, so yeah, sure. 74% did. Will you press the button? You will become Superman/woman, but you will become the opposite gender. So what if I want to become Superwoman? Then not, but I guess I won't. No thanks. Wow, 82% did not press the button. Will you
Talking to yourself? What are you doing?
Will you press the button? You become twice as attractive, half as smart. No thanks. No thanks. Wow. So people want to be stupid. Wow.
Well, being attractive does get you a lot of, advantages.
It does, but you're not really able to. I mean, it depends on what kind of stupid you are, mentally or just plain not wanting to study at all. It depends. But
No money to Daniel.
will you press the button? You change your gender, but you can never change it back. No thanks. I like my gender. Will you press the button? Travel the world limitlessly, but all puppies in the world will die. No, absolutely no. You will die the moment you turn 75, but you can cure the illness of anyone you touch even after death. Yeah, I guess so. Wow.
I would not do that.
You become invisible, but you can't touch anything.
Fucked up.
Wow, so does that mean you're not able to touch the ground? So like you just fall through the ground and everlastingly? Huh. No thanks. Yeah. You become the image of physical perfection, but everyone but you gains 200 pounds. No. Huh, that was almost pretty perfect. 50-50, almost. You can rule any country for a day, but it has to be in the Middle East. I guess so, yeah. Morgan Freeman will read you bedtime stories, but Justin Bieber sings backup. No, never. You would become the greatest player in your favorite sport, but you would constantly be criticized. Sure, I don't really care about, I don't really care. Yeah. You can teleport anywhere and anytime, but you can't run. I guess so, yeah. You will have the best marriage ever, but you will no longer have any friends except for your family. Sure. Will you press the button? You could have the soulmate of your dreams, but never have your dream job. Yeah, I guess I'll press the button. I mean, I don't care. My dream job. Well, you could have any one superhero's power, but a supervillain will always be looking to get you killed. No thanks. Wow. People, I don't see why people would press that button. I guess, actually, I should have pressed the button. Superheroes never really die. Almost never. You become the smartest person in the world, but everyone else literally has no brain. No thanks. You never fail at anything. You can never give up. Sure. Wow. Your farts are odorless, but they sound twice as loud. That would actually get some people mad if you're talking in a conversation. So, sure. Wow. Actually, nobody would think that was funny. You will become the smartest person on earth. You are no longer able to use the internet. No. No. No matter how smart I am, I'm never giving up the internet. You never have to study for tests, but after every test you forget everything you learned. Uh um wouldn't that affect the next test? No thanks, because I already study a lot. Befriend any celebrity, but for every celebrity friend you gain, you lose a close friend you already have. No. So I have a lot of close friends. You get to hang out with any celebrity for a whole week. Paparazzi followed you around all week. Sure, because I like photos being taken of me. Yeah. You are given your dream car, but you will never be able to drive another car. Sure, if it's my dream car. You gain the power to read minds, but you lose sight. No, I love my eyes. What did I just do?